Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can post a reel on the Facebook app. Let's launch the Facebook app first. So depending on the version of the app that you have currently, you should have the plus button on the upper right corner. When you click the plus sign, you will see that there is a upload reel section. Click on the reels so you will be able to start creating. Let's say for example we want to upload this over here on reel, right? Very important is that on the left side or on the right side, depending on the version of the app that you currently have, there is a special menu where you can essentially add, first of all, you can add music, then you can add text, you can add this clip hub, which is like a small animation, a small gifs from the either famous movies or famous scenes or famous cartoons. The next section is the effects, which where you can essentially change the background, change certain moves. Let me give you a small example so you can see. It's nothing crazy, like this one looks good like a GTI, right? Here's something like more vintage. There is this with a dragon. Like I said guys, nothing unbelievably crazy. Then if you have a voiceover, simply you can click the captions and add the captions to your voiceover so people can interact and understand and watch your videos while they're at work and they cannot listen. Then you can add some stickers. Again, nothing crazy. You can just put this one over here, right? And then you can download the video or you can download your edit, simply because some people just use the editing over here and then they upload the videos on TikTok or they upload the videos on Instagram Reels. Next section, you just click next, and this is over here like a regular post, guys. You can change who can see your reel. You can add captions, metadata, hashtags, location. You can automatically share the post on Instagram if you turn this function on. And last but not least, if you are eligible, you can earn money. You need to enable the earn money function. They will be tipping you with stars, people who like your videos, and later you can convert these stars into money. All there is for publishing on this system or method is very easy, guys. As you saw, there is a little difference between posting reels on Instagram and posting reel on Facebook, but I think it's very easy for you to learn. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Instagram Reels on Canva app using your phone. Very easy guys, very simple. So the first thing you want to come over here, guys, you want to click on social media on the upper settings. Then you want to scroll down, you want to click on Instagram, and then you want to scroll slowly to the Instagram Reels over here. Now I want you to click save. Now I want you to click CO. What you want to do right now is that you want to filter all the results by simply pushing up. Now we're going to click on style. In our case, we're going to create a very interesting, let's cue it professional or creative. Let's set as a creative mode. Then we're going to slide on the side and we're going to choose our theme, which in this particular case could be essentially anything. In our case, we're going to use the party theme, okay? This is how simple it is. Sometimes it works a little slow, so you gotta be patient. Then you're gonna filter by price. You're gonna use only the free templates, which will allow you to expand and excel more using your budget for other purposes. So let's select this video over here. This is how you're going to create the reels. If you click play, you will see how everything will be matching to itself. If you go back, you will see that every element that you click on is customizable. This is very good and very important because you know and you realize that you can adjust everything. For example, all these flowers on the side, you can essentially scroll through the menu over here and you can change them, okay? You can make them darker. You can use completely different font. You can make them warmer over here on the side. Everything could be adjusted. Everything could simply be edited, which is mind-blowing. As you can see also over here, you can change the actual color and the font by simply clicking fonts. If you can see over here, we can change the font, making it much more easier for people to read while they're watching the videos, right? You realize that especially if you copying and pasting quotes like a lot of people are doing, they're simply pasting a quote, and essentially the background matters a lot. Small letters, small fonts are not something that you want to go after. This is why putting a different effects on the actual theme is very important. Like simply adjusting the lining and creating a brush tool which will help you on the following phase using the magic edit tool, right? It's simply very interesting, considering that a lot of people don't know that. Other people are not aware that this is something as an option that exists. Also, you can resize it, right? You can make it larger, you can move it around, or if you don't like it, you can essentially click it and we can just remove it, same like this text over here. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to post reels on Facebook app. Let's launch the Facebook first. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the plus sign at the upper right. You see there is a small plus sign. When you click on it, you will have option to click and select reels. You want to click on this. When you click reels, you will have an option to select video that we want to publish. Let's take, for example, we want to publish this video over here. Now, very important, when you select the video that you want to publish, you should simply use the metadata, the description. You should include a title, very short title. You should include maybe one sentence, no more than 2 sentences. And then you probably want to include a couple of hashtags. The new recent updates for the algorithm on Instagram Reels, I've seen majority of the most viral content are no longer using hashtags. I don't know what's the reason for. As well, I saw on the sponsored posts, they also don't use hashtags anymore. So I presume there is certain changes for the algorithm and how it detects, pushes particular content without hashtags. So if you want to try something new, probably want to try to post without hashtags. Then you want to scroll down, you want to add the location, and you have an option to automatically share this particular reel with the Facebook. So essentially, if you click share to Instagram, you will have an option to log in and connect your Instagram accounts with this particular Facebook account, and then you will be able to automatically share. The new option that is something different than posting on Instagram Reel is that you can essentially add topics. For example, if we click add topic, you can simply scroll through here, and this will help Facebook to determine what kind of group will be interested of watching this video. So for example, if this was like a workout, like a fitness tips, it will be very easy for the algorithm of Facebook to detect and find the right audience for your videos, so most likely you're gonna get more views. Then as well, you can invite someone for collaboration over here. If you want to do something like a duet, that you have an option on TikTok if you are familiar with. And as well, if you are eligible for monetization, you can opt in, so you will be able to get tips for your videos as stars, which later could be converted into money. Essentially, this is how simple it is to post on Facebook. I find it easier to grow on Facebook by posting reels than trying to grow on Instagram by posting reels, but that's just my experience. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna go through different monetization updates from Facebook, so you'll be able to play ads on your reels on Facebook, so you'll be able to make a lot of money. Let's go over the requirements and the eligibility criteria over here. First thing first, this is the whole program. This is the new landing page from Facebook. Here you will get information about the new in-stream ads from Facebook. Let's click on the requirements and see how you can get qualified for. So in order to use the new ad system into your videos, you need to be at least 18 years old, okay? And live in the country eligible for in-stream ads. Let's go over the country list. So this is in-stream ads that are available in these countries. So all these countries, as you can see over here, guys, are actually falling under this new update. So if your country is one of these, you will be able to actually monetize and put ads into your videos. It will be similar as the one that we're seeing on YouTube, similar as the one that we're seeing in TikTok creativity program beta. Okay, the second requirement over here will be that you should have minimum of 5,000 followers. So your page on Facebook where you actually publishing your reels should have at least 5,000 followers, and you should be at least 18 years old, and your country where the page is registered, right? So I'm not sure that you can actually register a page from different country aside from the country that you're currently residing. Probably you can if you're using a VPN. Not quite sure about this though. You should advise with someone. But as you can see over here, the next eligibility requirement is that you should have 60,000 total minutes viewed in the last 60 days. So they're doing this simply to prevent bots monetize the content. Okay, they have a similar requirement for other programs. Remember, you should be active for the last 30 days in TikTok creativity program beta aside from the 10,000 followers. So here they don't include minutes viewed from cross-posted, boosted, or paid watch time. Meaning, if you publish something and then you share the same exact thing elsewhere, for example, on Twitter, and they see the traffic is coming from third-party website, they don't care. Meta is very, very strict with monetization. They are cutting monetization left and right. Remember, there was a bonus program last year on Christmas. If you just publish 3 videos, they're gonna give you like $100. I got $100, but then the program was like cut it. So they're very, very strict. They want to make sure that they're paying only people who are using their platform and their platform only. They don't care about other social media cross-posting. The next requirement is that your page on Facebook has to have at least 5 active videos, which kind of easy. If you're having 5,000 followers, you most likely have more than 5 active videos. And also the videos can be on demand or previously live, but this does not include active cross-posted videos. Again, you want to make sure that you really follow the rules. You're not gonna cut corners with Facebook, obviously. The next eligibility requirement for live videos. So if you're a live streamer, right, if you stream videos, your main target of the eligibility criteria and play ads on your own live streams will be over here. So to qualify for this, you should have at least 10,000 followers on your Facebook page. Second requirement is to have 6,000 minutes viewed in the last 60 days. So everything is 10x over here as a requirements. You should have 600,000 total minutes, must include minutes viewed from live videos. So essentially, you understand that because you're a live streamer, right, all of your minutes watch time will be coming from live stream. So I believe that you can actually gain these minutes very easy, especially if you're doing long live streams like 3, 4, 5 hours, 6 hours, some live streams. The last requirement over here is that your Facebook page where you're publishing your reels or where you're doing your live streams, right, has to have at least 5 active videos, including at least 3 previous live videos, okay, that are created by you. This does not include active cross-posted videos. So again, on top of the 5 regular active videos on your Facebook page, you should have at least 3 live streams published. So how much money you could actually make? I believe that's the biggest question over here. So I read plenty of feedback from a lot of people that have been using it so far. So I'm seeing that some people are making between like $3,000 to $4,000 a month, and this is based on having 50, 60, 70,000 views. And I mean, these people are posting every single day 3 to 5 videos a day. And again, everything that I saw so far is like entertaining. So some of the people are actually making like compilation videos of this, fallouts. Probably you've seen these people, falling left and right, these stupid videos compilation on Facebook Reels. So this is how you can actually do it. If you are coming from country that is eligible, if you have 5,000 followers, if you had more than 5 videos and you have regular watch time, well, I believe you can actually qualify and play ads on your videos. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Facebook Reels. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Facebook app first. Then I want you to click on the top right corner at the plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, you will have the option to select Reel. Let's do it. Now let's pick a type of content we want to publish. Let's click on this one over here. On the right side, you will have an option to edit, add some details as well. For example, the first option is to add music. Very interesting, and what makes it different to edit Reels on Facebook rather than Instagram is that you could actually reduce your original sound and add voiceover or add music. This is very cool because on original posts from original editing function from Instagram Reels, you're not going to be able to adjust your original voice. For example, you have a headshot, you're talking, then you want to add music, then probably you have a voiceover or something, and then there is a mix of sounds. So very cool feature over here on Facebook Reels is that you can actually not only adjust it, you can mute your original sound. Okay, very, very cool. When you're done, you just click done. Then you are able to add text. This is not a new feature. I would say new feature on this section will be Clip Hub, which essentially it's a small short gifts. You have a trending session, you have a reaction section. Everything is based on type of content you're creating or sharing. You have transitions, music, greetings, memes. You can also look for particular celebrity. So for example, they might have on stock like a celebrity reaction or short clip gifs. As you can see, Joe Rogan over here, here's Shaquille O'Neal. You can simply Google, type the person that you're looking for or the reaction or the theme, and you're gonna find it over here. Next, of course, is the effects. This is nothing new. I don't find this feature too crazy. It's like you're having a watermark on top of the actual design. I haven't seen anyone actually using this, but this is how it works. Then you have the captions. Like I said, if you have a headshot video and you're talking, this will increase the engagement. If you add captions, it will make it easier for people to understand, considering that some of them might be working when you publish the video. They cannot listen to the video, but they can actually watch it and read the captions. And you can add stickers, nothing new. And you can actually save the video. This is cool because you might edit the video here and then move on and publish the video on Instagram or publish the video on TikTok, right? And you can utilize the function over here. Then you click next. And as usual, you can tag people, add the hashtags, all the metadata, couple of sentences, right? You can actually multi-post by simply sharing this post to your Instagram account or accounts. You can invite people to collaborate, and you can essentially earn money through this post, especially if you're eligible and if you essentially took part of these particular programs, either bonus programs or simply getting tip by people donating you stars, as you can see over here. Last but not least, guys, pro tip over here, you will see that we don't have the button for save as a draft. We only have a button post, and next to the button post we have another folder, which if you click, you will see that there is the option to download the video to the device or save the video as a draft, and the video will be saved for up to 60 days. But this is how to make Reels on Facebook, guys. It's a little different than making Reels on Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.